Welcome to Prime Direction Current Affairs 2023, Episode 2. Which of the following personalities has not won the first edition of the UNESCO Al-Fawzan International Prize 2023? Options are A. Hesham Omran, B. Leela Hazar, C. Hiao Meifu, D. Federico Ariel, E. Abdena Tangana. Time starts now. And the answer is B. Leela Hazar. Next question. In June 2023, Kyriakos Mitsotakis won the Prime Minister (PM) election of Dash country for a second four-year term. Options are A. Finland, B. Albania, C. Bulgaria, D. Estonia, E. Greece. Time starts now. And the answer is E. Greece. Next question. John Bannister Goodenough, co-winner of the 2019 Nobel Prize in Chemistry for his work on the development of the Dash, passed away in June 2023. Options are A. Polarographic methods, B. Lithium-ion batteries, C. Method of genome editing, D. Cryo-electron microscopy, E. Lead-acid batteries. Time starts now. And the answer is B. Lithium-ion batteries. Next question. Who authored the book Draupadi Murmu, From Tribal Hinterlands to Raisina Hills? Options are A. Sagarika Ghosh, B. Shireen Bhan, C. Kasturi Ray, D. Rana Ayub, E. Sucheta Dalal. Time starts now. And the answer is C. Kasturi Ray. Next question. In June 2023, NHPC Limited signed an MoU with the Gridco Limited for the development of pumped storage projects, PSPs, and renewable energy in Dash state. Options are A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Odisha, C. Gujarat, D. Maharashtra, E. West Bengal. Time starts now. And the answer is B. Odisha. Next question. Name the company that has recently, in June 23, signed an MoU with the Union Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare to develop geospatial solutions for the Indian agriculture ecosystem. Options are A. Pixxel Space India Private Limited, B. Airnets Aviation Private Limited, C. Skyroot Aerospace Private Limited, D. Boeing India Private Limited, E. Dhruva Space Private Limited. Time starts now. And the answer is A. Pixxel Space India Private Limited. Next question. In June 2023, Government of India, GOI, extended the timeline for the disbursement of loans for the completion of ethanol projects up to Dash 2023. Options are A. 31st December, B. 30th November, C. 31st October, D. 30th September, E. 31st August. Time starts now. And the answer is D. 30th September. Next question. Name the bank that has recently, in June 23, became India's first public sector bank, PSB, to introduce the facility of UPI, Unified Payments Interface, payments to merchants through RuPay credit card? Options are A. Canara Bank, B. Punjab National Bank, C. Bank of Baroda, D. Indian Bank, E. Union Bank of India. Time starts now. And the answer is A. Canara Bank. Next question. In June 2023, S&P Global Ratings retained its forecast for India's economic growth at dash for fiscal year 2023 to 2024. Options are A. 7%, B. 6.9%, C. 7.2%, D. 6%, E. 6.5%. Time starts now. And the answer is D. 6%. Next question. Which of the following personalities have recently, in June 23, joined the MCC, Marylebone Cricket Club, World Cricket Committee, WCC? Options are A. Meg Lanning, Australia, B. Jhulan Goswami, India, C. Owen Morgan, England, D. Both 1 and 2, E. Both 2 and 3. Time starts now. And the answer is E. Both 2 and 3. Next question. According to the Q's World University Rankings 2024 by Quacquarelli Simmons, Q's released in June 2023, Dash is the only Indian institute featured among the top 150 universities, while Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, Cambridge, United States of America USA, has tops the list for the 12th time. Options are A. Indian Institute of Science ISK Bengaluru, B. Indian Institute of Technology, IIT, Bombay, C. Indian Institute of Technology, IIT, Delhi, D. Indian Institute of Technology, IIT, Khar. Time starts now. And the answer is B. Indian Institute of Technology, IIT, Bombay. Next question. Which of the following personalities have recently, in June 23, named for the honorary awards, Oscar, at Academy's 14th Governors Awards? Options are A. Mel Brooks, B. Angela Bassett, C. Carol Littleton, D. Both 1 and 2, E. All 1, 2 and 3. Time starts now. And the answer is E. All 1, 2 and 3. Next question. In June 2023, Draupadi Murmu, President of India, the Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces, conferred Distinguished Service Awards to serving and retired Indian Armed Forces and Indian Coast Guard, ICG, personnel for distinguished service of an exceptional order. Options are A. 85, B. 65, C. 95, D. 70, E. 80. And the answer is A. 85. Next question. Name the regulatory body of India that has recently, in June 23, signed an MoU with the Farm ETN, facilitating MSMEs of Tamil Nadu government to attract investments worth 1,510 crore. Options are A. Securities and Exchange Board of India, B. Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority, C. National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, D. Employees Provident Fund Organization, E. Small Industries Development Bank of India. And the answer is A. Small Industries Development Bank of India. Next question. In June 2023, the Executive Committee of the Central Board, ECCB, of the State Bank of India, SBI, gave approval for acquiring the entire stake held by SBI Capital Markets, SBCaps, in SBI pension funds. Options are A. 50%, B. 40%, C. 20%, D. 30%, E. 10%. And the answer is C. 20%.